Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Bosal Tech, and here I am going to show you that withdraw proof of this website I got about yesterday. Click on withdrawal option now, and here you can see that I got withdraw from here 0.1545 USDT successfully from this magnificent mining platform. You can also check dates and time, each and everything. You can now come to my Faucet Pay account, and here you can see that I got withdraw from this website, and which is equal to recent shows same amount of USDT 7th July 2024. Now you can also earn a huge benefit from this website. How can you earn? I will tell you in this video now. Welcome back friends, and in this video you will learn how to mine free USDT. Faucet Pay Tether mining platform available for all of you. 100% free USDT cloud mining website without any investment. More scroll down. We have only 3 major steps. Special feature of this website and simple registration. How can you register here? You need a Faucet Pay email address to create your account in this website. Now how can you start your mining? Free money. Now you will get free mining power immediately after registration to start your mining in this website without deposit. Instant payment, instant withdrawal and instant payment. Minimum withdrawal amount only 10 Satoshi of USDT. If you have only 10 Satoshi of USDT, you can take withdraw from this mining platform. I will provide you link in the description. You just need to click on the link and you can reach here without wasting any time. You have to click on get started option now, and here you need to enter your email address. Faucet Pay email address. Enter your Faucet Pay email address. Then click on start mining. Now you can see your mining will start here automatically without any obstacle, without any hesitation. Now if you can't make deposit, then you can earn 0.001 USDT per day from this mining platform, earning platform. Hash rate power you will get from here, 50 giga hash rate power you will get from here as a sign up bonus now. Now we have many more plans available in this website. If you want to increase your mining speed, then you can make deposit here effectively and very easily and without any extra charges. How can you make deposit? You have to click on deposit option now, and here you can see that you can purchase minimum 1500 giga hash rate power from this website. You just need to click on enter your 1500 giga hash rate power over here, and you have to deposit here 1.5 USDT to start to get 1500 giga hash rate power in this website. How can you get? Click on the buy option now, and this website bring yourself into your Faucet Pay account like this one, and here you need to select your USDT currency like this one and click on proceed to payment. You can deposit in this website through this way very easily and authentically. Now come to the website, and here I am going to show you that another way to increase your mining speed to enhance your earning on daily basis. How can you increase? I will tell you right now. Click on referral system option now, and here you can see that you will go to your affiliate link over here. You have to copy this link, share this link with your friend, with your family member. For each referral deposit, you will receive 10% of the deposit amount made by your referral. Hopefully you like it, you love it. As much as giga hash rate power you have, then your earning depend upon your hash rate power. Now here we also have calculator. You can calculate your profit per day profit from this website depend upon your hash rate power. If you have 15,000 giga hash rate power in this website, then you can generate 0.3 USDT per day and 2.1 USDT per week from this website. To get 15,000 giga hash rate power, you have to deposit here only 15 USDT without any extra charges. In this way you can earn a huge benefit from this website. Again, click on withdrawal option now. How can you take withdraw? Click on withdrawal option now, enter your required amount over here and click on confirm request now. This website paying us directly without any time limit, as you can see, check over here. Now come to my Faucet Pay account, and I am going to refresh it to show you that withdraw proof of this website. Scroll down, and here you can see that I got USDT immediately in my account right now. Now hopefully you like it, you love it. If you want to get this type of more video, you just need to subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon to get notified yourself about my all upcoming latest video. Hopefully you like it, you love it.